everyone, myself Ram Dutt Dubey and I am final year student in Civil Engineering Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. I am present seminar topic Sky Bus Technology. Here content of my slide. Introduction, Sky Bus, components of Sky Bus, working principles of Sky Bus, safety measures, why Sky Bus save 50% to 75% in cost, case studies, advantage and disadvantage, future scope, conclusion, references. Moving on next slide. Introduction of Skybus. The traffic in city is increasing day by day due to population improper town planning which is making city not fit to life. We need to provide solution for this by providing improved transportation technique. The Skybus technique offered by Konkan Railway Corporation. It redefined the thinking and planning for urban transport being a eco-friendly. This concept was first presented in Bologna University, Italy by Mr. B. Rajaram. Moving on next slide, Skybus. Lightweight coaches are called sky buses, which are suspended from bogie and travel below rail guide. A unique mass transit system which then can be put up within any 2 years in any crowded and congested city for safe transportation without loss of time. Moving on next slide. Components of Skybus. Skyway, Skybogie, Sky Coach, Sky Station, Traverse arrangements. Moving on next slide, Skyway, path in which sky bus travel. In it consists of concrete box structure 8.4 into 2.4 meter carried over a series of piers at a height of 8 to 10 meter above existing road level. There are no point and crossing. Sky bogie, standard 2SL bogie, speed of 100 kmph in Skybus. Maximum speed of Skybus 160 kmph. Linear induction motor to be driven. Emergency brakes in Skybus. Moving on next slide, Sky Coach. The coach are double wall lightweight cells with wide larger window and are suspended below the rails. The air conditioned coach have 4-meter wide automatic doors. Each coach is 9.25 meter long and 3.2 meter wide. Audio visual information to passengers. Moving on next slide, Sky Station. The Sky Bus required small sky stations. The station is an air conditioned platform 5.5 meter above ground. A smart card opens the station door. The station fits in a 50-meter long spots. Moving on next slide, traversal arrangement. Traversal is a system which automatically shifts a sky bus unit from one track to another track. There are no crossing end points in arrangements. Moving on next slide, working principles of sky bus. A standard railway coach running on the railway track. The underframe with a standard railway wheel set running on railway track. The railway wheels remain same. They on same track. The coach is firmly attached. Safety measures. In Skybus, wind cannot fault. Derailment arrestor which prevent the wheel from jumping on the rails. Safety airbags are provided with each coaches. Why Skybus save 50% to 75% in cost? In railway, conventional railway provide for heavy steel coaches to protect people from derailment and capsizing, so carry more steel and dead weight instead of people. With total weight of 48 ton, a railway can carry only 70 person in 20-meter length. In Skybus, Skybus has no such problem, no derailment nor capsizing, hence use very lightweight coaches and carry more people using much less dead weight. Skybus with the same weight and length carry 300 persons comfortably. Case studies in Skybus. First, Ribera del Loria Business Park, Madrid, Spain. In response to the traffic challenges at Ribera del Loria Business Park in Madrid, a Skybus solution has been implemented. The suburban location hosting 400 companies and 50,000 workers face daily traffic jam and parking difficulties. Despite having a underground system, the Skybus initiative offers a smart tail road transport network connecting office with 10 of 11 line, 9 commuter rails line and 5 major interurban bus exchanges in Madrid. Supervised by the city council and the regional transport authority, this service is executed by 4 operators operating a fleet of 8 vehicles. Second case study, Orihuela, Alicante, Spain. Orihuela facing challenges with the public transport system catering to 1 lakh residents and seasonal tourist experiences, overcrowding in high seasons and underutilization in low season. During peak times, the existing public transport struggles to reach every area leading to inefficiency. Conversely, in the low season, vehicles often roam empty through sparsely populated neighborhood. The Sky Bus solution involved a through analysis of demand fluctuation throughout the year, leading to the design a flexible adaptive public transport network. This new network allows the optimized service, ensuring that transportation supply align with the dynamic demand, addressing both overcrowding and underutilization issue in Orihuela. Future scope of Skybus. For overpopulated city, it is suffer inexpensive mass public transportation. Skybus is improved railway technology, eliminates the problem of city suffering from heavy debt. Advantage and disadvantage of Skybus. Advantage of Skybus: fast transportation, no interference with road traffic, no pollution. Disadvantage of Skybus: it is not suitable for small city. To start Skybus project, flyover is required. It is required skilled labor for maintenance of it. Conclusion of Skybar. Ultimately, life is more precious than any other thing. Hence, we need to give suffer transportation facility along with its economy also play important role. Skybus is improved railway technology, eliminates the problem of city suffering from heavy traffic, pollution-free and noise-free transportation. References: Wikipedia, Konkan Railway, Google, jt.org, skybus.es. Thank you.